guys want to go online, soundtotristate.com, check out all the SiriusXM products, browse some free content, portability, versatile. Take it with you wherever you want to go.
I'm Jason Montalvo with Focus Marketing Solutions here at the Sound of Tri-State booth at the Philly Auto Show. We're in the amplifier and subwoofer section. Here we have the JL Audio product, and we also have Rockford 5-gate.
All right, well, we're here at the Philadelphia Auto Show. We're at the Focal booth, showcasing the new 2013 product for this year. We have 3 different lines of product that you can come into any Sound in Tri-State and have a listen. We'll be happy to help you out.